328 Heavy, Mayday, Mayday aircraft.
Encore 3139 is the turn, not getting any response. Do you hear me?
Departure United 328 Heavy, Mayday aircraft, just experienced engine failure, need a turn immediately.
I think I'm here, I see it. Wow, this is amazing. There's a freaking airplane in the middle of the jungle. This is crazy. I was not expecting that. Alright, so I did a little bit of research about this because I was really curious how this plane got here. Is this a crash or not? It is actually not a crash. So basically this plane has been brought from 300 kilometers into the jungle and they wanted to open this hotel. And I'm not sure what happened. It's just abandoned now. So basically the idea was to get this feeling of the airplane in the jungle and you get to stay. Ow, there are a lot of mosquitoes here. So yeah, this is quite interesting. Now it's just left abandoned. To be honest, it really looks like a crash site. You don't get to see that every day. I'm just gonna try to go inside, see if I can make it inside. This is the nose part, I believe. Wow, look at the fuselage. There are seats, there's everything inside. Wow, this is where the food goes. Kelwar. You can see all the wiring and stuff. All right, I'm under the tail right now. This is the APU. This is so cool. Never seen an airplane like this. So this is the cargo section, I believe. This is so cool. I never thought I would be in the middle of the jungle exploring an abandoned plane and inside the cargo section of some random airplane. That is crazy. Oh, I believe this is the landing slide, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not really sure. I don't know a lot about planes, but this is amazing. I kind of think this is the oxygen thing which is above your head because I see the mask right there. The sun is on point today. I don't know, just something about this whole thing in the jungle. I just can't get enough of it. It is so mind-blowing to see that human made this and it is just absolutely fantastic.